going on, everyone? We have to go over Pudgy Penguins because, as you can see, guys, we're down over 24% in the last week, 50% in the last 30 days. That's actually crazy. And yeah, doing exactly what I said. It's going down towards 0.009 ish, 0.008. We're about to reach that soon. But we're going to talk about what I think is coming up next here inside of Pudgy Penguins. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice, but let's get straight into it. So we have been getting a lot of people shaken out of Pudgy Penguins. We now have 539,000 holders, when just 2 weeks ago, we actually had 540,000. So we lost a whole 1,000 holders here inside of Pudgy Penguins. So yeah, that's pretty bad. They're losing a lot of holders here. So we'll see how that goes. But they are teasing some type of collab, possibly. Maybe like a Pudgy Penguins and Supreme, because I know Supreme used to use that little figure there, like Pudgy Penguins X Supreme or Pudgy Penguins X Legos, something. They're doing some type of big collab or something, right? But anyways, we know they're no strangers to that. Pudgy Penguins, their Pudgy Party game has won the best casual game and best mobile game award. So that is that's huge as well. But despite all that, we already know the crypto market's crashing, so Pudgy Penguins inevitably is going to crash as well. So this right here is a falling wedge. We're going through the falling wedge. It's supposed to be a bullish pattern, but obviously it's not going to be bullish in this case because of what Bitcoin's doing. We are noticing here on the MACD for the 4-hour chart that selling pressure is starting to come back in. Start to slow down, but now it's coming back in. So we're going to start seeing more selling pressure here inside of Pudgy Penguins, which is why I've been mentioning 0.008 is that next level for us to go. So it might take a bit, but I think we're going to 0.008 next. So definitely get ready. Don't just sit around waiting, sitting on your hands. I think we're going to be going there pretty soon. But anyways, we are very much oversold on the % trend exhaustion. Very, very oversold here. So that says a lot. This thing, I mean, it's crazy. Like everything has been dumping like at crazy large amounts. So we're just gonna have to sit around and wait because it's oversold here too. So we're just gonna keep getting more oversold. So it's just gonna keep selling off until it finally has enough, or until it's finally had enough. But like I said, we have some good support here at 0.008. So 0.008 is going to be a nice area for us to land. Also 0.009, that's also going to be a level for us to stop and land at. So, well, 0.0089 technically. So that's what we'll end up seeing there. But yeah, other than that, I mean, at this point, you just gotta be patient. And when it's bottomed out, we just gotta wait. We just gotta wait. It could go to 0.008. It could go even further down to 0.005. But at this point, there's no timing in the market, and the powers that be, they know this. Like they're doing this on purpose. They're dumping the market. They're making everything crash. They know there's no way to actually track it at this point. All you can do is wait for it to bottom, and then when you get that signal, you just have to act fast enough. But I made a video on Bitcoin earlier talking about how it's going through another descending channel. And when you look at the % trend exhaustion, it's oversold still. And you see it's going through this descending channel. So it's going to, well, it looks like it's starting to create a descending channel, right? So if it continues down like this, then it's creating a descending channel. So that's what we're watching out for right now on Bitcoin. Because if Bitcoin does not recover from here, it's going to end up going down to 74K/75K. So that would bring Pudgy Penguins probably down to 0.008, maybe even 0.005. So yeah, get ready for another sell-off. So but anyways, this is all I got, guys. I know it's all doom and gloom lately, but everything will be back to, I can't even say that with a straight face. I don't know if everything will be back to normal. We'll see. But yeah, this is how crypto is. This is normal for crypto. This is why I like trading the stock market, right? if I'm day trading and I'm doing stuff like that, I'm in the stock market. Sometimes crypto can be good, but you have to get in at the perfect times. When crypto is in market in times like this with the market, I do not touch it. I do not touch it. I do not touch it. I haven't touched any crypto for a couple weeks now. So that should say a lot. I've only been messing with stocks, but I've seen this before, and yeah, it's gonna dump to the levels that I've been mentioning, because those are the bottom supports. And why would it not go all the way to the bottom? Like, whenever you see it doing stuff like this is 100% planned. Like, look at that one candlestick on the daily chart. So on the daily chart for Pudgy Penguins, the candlestick went from 0.031 all the way down here to 0.017, all on one daily candlestick, which means that happened in one day. In one day, Pudgy Penguins went all the way down here, and that was about 46%. That was a 46% drop. A 46% drop in one day, guys. Look at that. 46% one day. That's absolutely insane. And this is why I say, like, just wait for all of this to go through. I wouldn't even be trying to time it. Like, everybody wants to get in right at the bottom. That's not what I'm trying to do at all. Like, I'm trying to wait till it hits the bottom, and then I want to see confirmation for recovery before I get in. So maybe the bottom's at 0.0005, but I'm probably not going to be able to buy at that price, because I'm going to be waiting to see a confirmation to the upside. When I get that confirmation, that's when I'm getting in. But at this point, I need a bullish confirmation before I buy. And that is what I'm standing on. You have to have some type of risk management, and that's part of my risk management right there. So I'm going to stand on it. I'm not going below that level. So it is what it is. But anyways, go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe, all that good stuff. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And as always, I'll be back with another video.